In today's video, I am going to teach you how to migrate from Mailchimp to Brevo. To get started, you will want to be logged into Brevo and ready to manage your integrations. Migration can feel a little technical, but the process is designed to be straightforward. We will connect your Mailchimp account, choose which lists to bring over, map the contact fields, and then activate a sync so updates stay consistent. First, click your profile name. This is usually located in the top area of the Brevo interface. After you select your profile name, look for the option labeled Plugins and Integrations. This is the area where Brevo connects with other tools, so it is the correct place to begin your Mailchimp setup. Once you click Plugins and Integrations, take a moment to confirm you are viewing the Integrations page, not a general settings page, since the wording matters and the next steps depend on being in the right section. Now that you are in Plugins and Integrations, you will need to locate the specific Mailchimp integration. Find and select the Mailchimp by Brevo integration. If you see a search bar in that section, it can help to search for Mailchimp to quickly narrow it down. The key thing here is to choose the integration that is specifically meant for Mailchimp, since other integrations would not transfer your lists or contacts correctly. Next, click Connect Your Account. This is the point where Brevo will prompt you to authorize access to your Mailchimp data. When the login page appears, you will log into Mailchimp using your Mailchimp credentials. Make sure you enter the correct account that contains the lists and contacts you want to import. If you see a permissions screen, review what is being requested, then proceed to confirm the connection. The goal of this step is to create a secure link between the two platforms. After the connection is established, you will be prompted to choose the lists you want to import. This part matters because it controls the scope of your migration. Take your time and select the lists that match your current campaigns and audience segments. If you have multiple lists, think about which ones you want to carry over so you can keep your marketing organized in Brevo. Once you choose the lists, continue forward to the next stage. Now Brevo will ask you to match Mailchimp contact fields to Brevo attributes. This is where your data structure becomes consistent. For example, you may need to map fields like first name, last name, and email, as well as any custom fields you used in Mailchimp. Pay attention to the correspondence between each Mailchimp field and the matching Brevo attribute. Doing this correctly helps ensure that contact details display properly and that segmentation works as expected after import. Once the field mapping is complete, you will confirm the data and proceed to the consent step. During this stage, you may be asked to accept consent terms related to how your contacts are synchronized and used. This is important for compliance and for maintaining trust with your subscribers. Read the consent text shown on screen, then accept the terms if they are correct for your situation. Finally, you will activate the sync. Activating sync means Brevo will keep the integration running so that updates continue to flow between Mailchimp and Brevo according to the settings in the integration. At this point, your import is set in motion and the connected lists and contacts will begin syncing. After you activate the sync, give it a moment to start, and then you can review your contacts in Brevo to confirm that the results match what you selected. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.